Welcome to today's English lesson with Ayla. Today, we will practice asking for help while shopping at a grocery store. Listen carefully to this short dialogue. Customer: excuse me, could you help me find the olive oil? Employee: of course. It is in aisle 4, right next to the pasta sauces. Customer: great, thank you. Also, do you have any fresh organic apples today? Employee: yes, we do. They are located in the produce section at the front of the store. Customer: perfect. One more question. Where can I pay for my groceries? Employee: the checkout lanes are straight ahead near the exit. Customer: thank you so much for your help. Employee: you are very welcome. Have a great day. Key vocabulary to remember. 1. Aisle is a walkway between shelves in a store. The letter S is silent. 2. Produce section is the area in a supermarket where fresh fruit and vegetables are kept. Keep practicing every day and see you in the next lesson.